So okay. So Jishu, first tell me something about your basic detail, like your grade score when you graduated. Okay. So tell us
Okay, sir.
the background about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, I did my graduation from mechanical engineering background in Johar Engineering College, and the pass out year was 2019, and I gave gate almost three times, 2020, 2019, 2020. Recently, I gave XC also. My XC score was 686. From that, I got call from IIT Villai.
Hmm.
Uh,
Based on your 680 XC score, you received.
yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
And
So
my sir CGPA was 8.5 during BTech.
CGPA, great.
Yes, sir.
So other than this, Vilai, like from how many institute you received a gold till yet?
Till now, I got from IIC Bangalore, MS in aerospace engineering.
Okay, MS in aerospace.
Aero,
Same that also based on your XC score.
yes, sir. That was
Okay.
also on the basis of XC score, and more, and IIT Madras probably might get. They have not released a cutoff till now, so I am waiting for that also.
So
IIT Madras.
ISC also you appeared in the interview,
No,
or
no, sir. It will be on 21 May. May
21st of
21.
May. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So only these two institute you were shortlisted
Yes, sir.
for
Uh,
different MTech and MS program. Like MS
yes, sir.
in ISC Bangalore and MTech for mechanical engineering in IIT Bhilai.
IIT Villai. Yes, sir.
Great. So tell us something about your interview experience. How many panel member are there? What they asked you in that particular interview?
Yes, sir. And my interview experience, I will say it was pretty good. They were very friendly. The panel members were very friendly. They asked from basics question, starting. They start with from basics question, and then gradually they ask from the difficult topics. Uh,
Okay.
they firstly asked me about what are the two subjects you want to say about. So
Okay.
I told them about fluid mechanics and strength of material.
Mhm.
So they first start with fluid mechanics. I almost got almost 12 to 11 questions during the interview. They asked me 12 to 11 questions, six from fluid mechanics, and might be 5 to 6 questions from strength of material. Yeah. So the very first
Can you
question
tell
they
us
asked.
something about those questions? What they asked one
Yeah,
by one?
yeah. So the very first question they asked me about what is streamline. They started with fluid mechanics, and the very first question they asked me about streamline. So I told them about streamline. I basically gave them about the definition of streamline. Then they asked about what is will you consider the edge of the boundary line as a streamline? Will you consider the edge of the boundary line as a streamline? And they firstly explain about what is edge of the boundary line. They asked about, and I told them about. I told them that yes, it will be considered as a streamline. The edge of the boundary line will be considered as a streamline. I might be wrong. I'm not sure about that, but they did not ask me about the region. Why it is so? They did not about me about the region. Then the third question they asked me about what is conserved in Bernoulli's equation. So I told them about in Bernoulli's equation, energies are conserved. So then they asked me about what is conserved in continuity equation then. So I told them about the mass flow rate is conserved in continuity equation. So then they asked me write the continuity equation in unsteady flow case. Write the continuity equation in unsteady flow case. So I told them about the equation. Uh, and then they start about fluid machinery. I only got one question from fluid machinery that was divided into two parts. First one is what is draft tube and why it is used. So I told them about draft tube. Basically it is a converging type tube, and it is connected to reaction turbine ends. So, and why it is used, I told them about it is simply used to increase the head of a turbine, reaction turbine. I told them about that. Then they shifted to the strength of material questions. From strength of material, I got one first question. First question I got was what is the unit of toughness and unit of resilience. So I told them about the unit of toughness. It is Joule basically, and what is the difference between modulus of toughness and toughness, and what is the unit of them also. So I told the unit of modulus of toughness also Joule per meter cube, that is energy per volume, and then they asked me about why resilience is important. What is the significance of resilience? So I told So I told them about resilience simply gives us the idea about the energy that can be stored up to proportionality limit, that basically I can get. So they told me about, oh, that's okay. Then they asked me about true stress and true strain. What is true stress and what is true strain? And give the definitions of that. I told them about the definitions. And lastly, they asked about which will be higher, true strain or engineering strain. If we consider a bar, and if we elongate that bar, which will be more, true strain or engineering strain? So I told them about true strain will be more higher as compared to engineering strain. The reason I also gave the reason about that. So basically almost 12 questions they asked me. The questions were basic level, not very tough.
Yes.
Very simple.
All are very simple question.
Yeah, very simple question, only memory based questions.
Other than this, they asked you about your project. Any question from your project or internship?
No,
Training?
in IT field, I did not get any questions from my project, BTech project.
Only they ask question from
They only
the two
focused
subject which you
on,
mentioned.
yeah.
That is
They
a
only
good thing. Good thing
yeah.
is they ask a question from that part only which you actually highlighting as your
Yes,
university.
sir. Yes, sir. So only they focused on two subjects. That's
What
it.
was your overall experience? You mentioned ki it was good. They are sporting you,
Yeah,
friendly.
yeah. Almost I gave all the answers. Only in one question I got confused when they asked me about what is toughness and resilience. So firstly, I told them that toughness is we can store the energy up to proportionality limit. That was not the actual case. In toughness, we can store the energy up to fracture limit. So by mistake, I wrongly answered that question. But later,
You rectified it.
I rectified it by saying them sorry.
Only
So
two members were there in the panel, and how they are conducting the interview? Like through some Zoom or
oh yeah, there is a site
they are
called
utilizing the Google Meet?
there. Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a website named WebEx. Through that,
Webex.
through that they took the interview. Firstly, they hire one person for calling the students.
Okay.
Basically, firstly, I was told to wait in a waiting room in the WebEx zone. So from there, they picked me to their interview panel.
Okay. Means like, smoothly they are conducting the interview. Means the
Very
student is in the
smoothly,
waiting room
very
and he know
smoothly.
like
Yeah.
next after 15-20 minutes I need to be in the interview. That's great. Means it is not like that
Very.
you are spending time in waiting room.
No, sir. No, sir.
You
Almost
all are having
15 minutes. In earlier, in prior to interview, only 15 minutes we have to wait. After 15 minutes, they simply take us to the Zoom meeting, not Zoom.
Any question about your research interest? Like in which area you are having research interest? They have not asked you anything about that.
Yeah. One question they asked me about research proposal. I told them about my research. If I want to carry, that will be on thermodynamics. thermal science,
Thermal area. Okay.
thermal engineering.
Mhm.
So they to ask me about which motivates you to do research on thermal engineering. So I told them about during my GATE preparation, I basically my inclination was more towards thermodynamics, and I will be very much happy to carry my future proposals in this area. So simply I told them about that.
Good. So, Jishu, what like suppose now you are having experience. This is your
Yes,
first
sir.
interview, or earlier also you appeared for some interview in IT?
No, sir.
Like
No,
year,
sir. For IITs, it will be my very first interview.
this is your year 2021 score, 2020 score. 660 is your 2021 score.
6686 is my 2021 score.
2021 excess score.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And what's your mechanical score?
In 2020, it was 705 in yes, sir. But I did not apply through that score.
2019 you are talking.
Huh? Not, sir.
2019,
2020.
2020. Okay, means you have, but last year you have not utilized that score.
Which score?
Last year's score, 2020 score, you have not utilized it.
I did not give that
Okay.
score.
So what do you think, like Jishu, if I will ask you now, you are having some experience. So how to prepare for interview? Like what is the best way to prepare for interview in IT? What do you think?
My after giving first interview, the very first perception of mine will be focused on the GATE related subjects. Basically for these IITs, probably for IIC it will be for a different approach, but for IITs, even if we include the Madras also, so the very first our prime area of focus should be on the GATE subjects, basically favorite subjects. So pick one should pick the favorite subjects of his and her interest, and accordingly they should prepare for that.
Means
Because
research area must be clear, like in which area you want to
yeah,
carry out research.
yes, sir. Because sir, research area they will also ask about that. So if our preparation subject will be same as that of the you can say research subject, then it will be more helpful for us.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Bilkul, bilkul. The area in which you are having research interest, if those subject you like, then yes, it will be easy to prepare. And you know, like in first interaction, like when I interacted with other students, I mentioned very clearly it is very important if you will clear with your interest, research area, because you cannot
Yes,
prepare all the domains of mechanical engineering. There are vast areas, right? You cannot simultaneously you cannot apply for design, thermal and production, because if you are even if you are applying for MS in all three domains, then obviously you will not be able to prepare, and you will not be able to find out the research gap in those particular
yes,
areas. So
yes,
you
sir.
could choose any particular area, okay, based on your research interest, thermal design, production, data science, anything, energy, okay, anything. And then you need to find, like if you are having some research gap in mind, what I think, Jishu, if
Mm.
even if you are having low grade score and you are getting some chance in IT, and if you are having some research gap in mind, some good research gap, like suppose your score is 500 only, but suppose there are chances they will shortlist you. In MS, they are shortlisting students with 500 grade score also, 550 grade score also. Students are getting called from good IITs. So if any student is having some research gap in mind, and he will highlight that in his or her intro, and if he will able to project that in an effective manner, sir, this is my research area interest, and this gap I analyzed by exploring the different research paper available to available in that particular domain. So I think that is a good thing, and they give advantage to that particular student, because they are in search of that kind of students who are actually having research interest. Okay, so if you are carrying out research, if you are clear with your research domain, and if you are carrying out some exploring that area, and if you are able to
Yes,
find out
sir.
some research gap, that is the only thing which is required. Yes, they will get some impression. Yes, that student did some homework,
Yes, sir.
and surely they will give you advantage. That is important. Finding
Yes.
out research gap first. If your area is clear, then only you will be able
Yeah.
to find out the research gap. If your area is not clear,
Yes,
in
sir.
which
Yes.
area you will find out research gap. Okay.
Then it will be
So
difficult for
yes,
students to
yes.
prepare.
Yes,
Because
very
at a
good,
time we
good
cannot,
point you highlighted, Jishu. A research gap, that is very important. You need to be clear with.
because we cannot at a time prepare all the subjects. We
Correct.
can only focus on few subjects that are
Yes.
favorite to us. And the questions will be generally on the gate level,
Yes, yes,
not
gate
beyond
level
that.
only. Yes.
And basic questions.
This time, Jishu, you are no like any candidate who is actually going for interview after BTech. How
Yes, sir.
they cannot ask you advanced level question, no, because you are not having specialization in that domain. Now
Yes, sir.
you are going for that specialization. Okay, so they will ask you basic question only. Suppose if you are going for interdisciplinary domain, data science, computational data science, or other domain, they will ask you questions from engineering mathematics, because that is also the basic subject which you actually studied in your graduation level. Okay, data
Yes,
science
sir.
they are not going to ask you. Similarly, in these mechanical domain, if you are going for some MTech or MS program, master's program, then there are chances. Majority of the cases they will ask you from that part only. Second one thing is other than this basic subject, your project, and then your research interest, research
Yes,
area.
sir.
If you will highlight some research area, then they can ask you question from that only. Other than this, if you are mentioning or highlighting some kind of internship, okay, some kind of training, some kind of course which you actually attended recently, like suppose if you are having any kind of certification course, NPTEL, MIT, or anything, that
Yes,
also if you
sir.
are highlighting, then they can ask some question from that.
Yes.
Overall, your confidence, your sincerity, your maturity, okay, that matters in all type of interviews, whether it is for IIT or anything. Okay, so
Yes,
they
sir.
want to know that candidate is serious enough for research or not, or just
Yes,
he
sir.
is entering into MTech this time pass. So they want to know that thing.
Yes, sir.
So I think this you performed well. Like what
Yes, sir.
information
Yes,
actually
sir.
I got from your delivery, you performed well, and
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So best of luck, and
Yes, sir.
again thank you very much for sparing time. Okay, and yes,
Yes,
what I
sir.
think surely you will get opportunities in other IITs also with this score, Axis score, 680 score,
Yes.
and surely you will get MS opportunity. Your
Yes, sir.
CGPA is very good, 8.5, and again we will interact whenever
Yes,
you will
sir.
go for any other interview. Okay, Jishu.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
thank
sir.
you and good luck.
Thank you.
Keep preparing.